Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the HDR brightness in DragonSword Awakening. Let's begin by opening Settings. From here, select Graphics. Here you can find HDR brightness. Note this is only available when HDR is turned on. And HDR can only be turned on devices that can support it. Unfortunately, I cannot do that. Of course, if your device supports HDR, you could change the HDR brightness. Here on this gauge, you could adjust this value from as low as 0 or as high as 100 on this gauge. Once you are done adjusting those, simply press the X button. After that, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.